What is a wormhole? Well, our universe is the four-dimensional entity, and what you have to do is to imagine this four-dimensional entity not as a three-dimensional, but two-dimensional thing, as say a sheet of paper. Well, say we have want to travel from one point to another in space-time, and there's so much distance in between that between these 2 points that it may take like 100 years even for the light to travel between these 2 points. So it something like so it's basically the distance between these 2 points is 100 light years. Now is there any uh, an easier way to travel between these 2 points? Yeah, of course. Like, see, we have this paper, and what we can do is, let's say we have here a point, then we can fold this paper, which is our universe, the four-dimensional entity which we're imagining as a sheet of paper suppressing the two dimensions. And here, once you fold it, then the distance, this distance which you are traveling, like instead of this from here to here, this distance is enough shorter for our spaceship to travel. So this is what, and where we have basically a tunnel which connects this point to point over here, somewhere over here. So it's a shorter distance and it really saves your time. This tunnel between these 2 points which we create when we fold this paper, this tunnel which we have over here, which connects these 2 points where we travel at, this tunnel is called as a wormhole or the Einstein-Rosen bridge, and it has two main purposes. It can be used as something which is a shortcut to travel between to cover some distance, like instead of going traveling that path, long path. Instead you just curve fold the universe in a way that you can have a tunnel between 2 points which is shorter than what it seems like when the universe is not folded to create a wormhole. And it also can be used as a time machine. Yeah, you set one of the mouths of the wormhole on Earth with you in your room, and you send the other with your friend who is going out in the space at the relativistic speed. I mean the speed which is near to the speed of light, and you have some relativistic effects like the time dilation going over there, separating the time flow where you are and the time flow in the rocket where in which your plane is traveling. So if there is some time difference over there, and this time the mouth of the wormhole is in the rocket is younger than the mouth of the wormhole which is on the Earth with you, and when you enter the you know the other mouth of the wormhole, which is within the rocket, then basically you are traveling in past, because that mouth of the wormhole is something which is younger. So wormhole can even not only, so as per we are having this wormhole as a tunnel between in space time, basically, right? We're having this tunnel between space, and not only space, it doesn't count only the distance but also two times, right? So wormhole serves two processes. One purpose that it saves a lot of your time by getting a shortcut, like not traveling the universe, the having the larger displacement, but instead you are folding the universe in a way that we can have some tunnel over here in this two paper, in this same paper of sheet which I have folded, and we have some tunnel over here between these 2 points, and we have a wormhole. And yes, wormhole can also be used as a time machine. Hope you guys have understood like what exactly wormhole is, and if you have any question further on the topic like what is wormhole, then please get on the comment section and please subscribe my channel. Thank you everybody. Bye.